You ever had that feeling like something's off in your body, but you can't explain it? The answer might be a safety pin. So let's talk about how your brain and body work together. Your brain sends messages down your spine to the organs, muscles, tissues, and your body sends messages back up to your brain. It's a loop, a constant conversation. When the connection is clear, the system flows. You move well, heal fast, sleep better, think clearly. We call this a closed safety pin cycle. Your nervous system is locked in and doing its job. But life happens. Stress, injury, poor posture, trauma, they can all cause spinal misalignments. And when this happens, the nervous system, it doesn't fire properly. The safety pin, it's open. And the messages, they get distorted or blocked. You may not feel it right away, but your body will. It could show up as fatigue, tightness, brain fog, poor digestion, or chronic pain. When that brain and body connection is restored, healing isn't forced, it's activated. So next time when your body whispers that something isn't quite right, don't ignore it. Check that connection, check that cycle. And remember, stay curious and stay alive. I think I lost my pin.